Now let us move to our next tool. Go to File, Info, Protect Document, and then Restrict Access. So restrict access allows you to restrict this document to particular users only. Okay, so let's see how it works. Click on Restricted Access. In label, select Restricted V1 and apply. Okay, now click on Restricted Permission. Restrict this. Now this first option asks, mention the user email ID to whom you want to give only read access. Okay, so whoever user I am mentioning here, the user will get only read access. Okay, now mention the email ID of the user to whom you want to give change access. So this user can change the document. Okay, now if you want to see more options, you can click on more options. Okay, here you will get complete details that who all are the users having access rights and level. So this user has full control. This user has only change control. This user has only read control. Okay. Now additional permissions for user. You can add a document expiry date. That's up to you. Print content, so the user having full control can print it, but the other users, you have to give print content permission. Okay, now allow users with read access to copy content. So the users having only read access can cannot copy the content. You have to give additional permission to copy the content. Okay, and then you can click on OK. Fine. So now when we go back to our document, we can see a notification saying restricted access. It means the document is restricted to certain users only. Okay, and at the mid of document we can see a watermark as well. Okay, let me show you. We can see the restricted watermark. Right, so it clearly shows the restriction on the document. Now if you want to add or remove the users, you simply click on change permission. Now the box will open. From here you can add or remove the users. Okay, now I want to remove this restriction. What to do? So follow the same path. Go to File, Info, Protect Document, Restrict Access, and then click on Unrestricted Access. So this will remove all the restrictions. It's asking a confirmation. Say yes. Okay, now go back to document. Now you can see the notification or the pop-up of restricted access is disappeared. Okay, but still you can see the restricted watermark here. Okay, so now the document is not restricted, but still the watermark is there. Now let us remove the watermark as well. To remove the watermark, go to File, Info, check for issues. Click on the check for issues. Okay, inspect the document. Click on inspect the document. Okay, and you have to save your files to avoid missing of any data. Say, I hope you will follow this process of saving the file. Okay, and click and then click on yes. Okay, now a box is appeared. It's saying what all you want to inspect. Just by default, the document want to inspect everything. Okay, but as we want to focus on watermark only, what we can do, we can untick everything. Okay, and we can keep this header, footers, and watermark as ticked. Okay, but for now, I'm just inspecting whole document. I'm clicking on inspect. Now, this inspect feature will show that what all issues are there. Okay, so this right tick means there is no issue. Okay, and this shows that yes, there is an issue. Okay, now what you can do, you can remove it. Custom XML data, remove all header, footers, and watermarks. Okay, so watermark is there. We want to remove the watermark. Remove it. Okay, so I removed other two issues as well. That so those issues are not linked with watermark. Okay, I just done it for understanding purpose. Okay, just to explain that how we can remove the issues. Our core focus was on removing watermarks that we have removed. Now close. Now you can see the watermark is being removed. Okay. So that's it in this restricted access feature. Thank you.